Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious buffalo barbecue wing recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some chicken wings already washed and prepped. I have some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, sazon, chicken bouillon, and some seasoned salt. I also have some buffalo sauce and barbecue sauce here. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of your dry seasoning, mix that well and set aside. Once we're done, we're going to go ahead and combine the buffalo sauce and barbecue sauce. Next, you want to add your seasoning to that chicken, and then we're going to come in with a few tablespoons of that sauce that we mixed up. Once done, we're going to mix well to combine and set aside to marinate for about 2 hours. If you have the time and you can let this go longer, that would be excellent. After 2 hours marinating, you want to place them into a large baking dish, preheat oven to 375, and place these in the oven uncovered for about an hour. After an hour, you want to baste the chicken wings with that sauce. The remaining sauce that's left, you want to baste the chicken wings, and then we're going to place it back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about an hour and 20 minutes in total, the chicken wings are finally done. They smell and look absolutely divine. I did pair it with some fried cabbage, candy yams, and mac and cheese. It was absolutely divine, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.